Hello there, fellow Kulea peeps. Okay, so we're going to have a quick look at changing text in a content block within a Kulea asset. Now, that asset could be a landing page, it could be an email, it could be a form. Doesn't really matter. It's the same way to do it every time. So I'm going to just use emails to demonstrate this. So we go into our dashboard. Let's go to my emails. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up our Kulea branded email. Okay, so within this Kulea branded email, there's, as you've seen before, there's different sections. There's a banner section, that's an image section actually, there's a button section down below. We're going to edit this content block here, and you can see when I hover over it in the preview, it says content block number 1. If I go to layout, it's this content block here, section 1 column. So I'm going to click that to open up the editor. I'm going to click edit. Okay. So now we have some nice logos inserted, and we have the content that I want to change. So I'm going to apply some colors to this. Now we've got two ways of applying colors. You can apply a text color or you can apply a background color. So let's go there, and it shows me there all the different HTML standard colors: dark olive, dark green, dark azure, navy blue, etc. So I'm going to just go for plain blue. Okay, and it's changed the color. Nothing complex there. I'm going to now go into the other one. I'm going to change the background color, and let's make that gray. And you can see how you're changing the colors. And as I'm making these changes, it's updating and reflecting over here on the left-hand side. I'm just going to press Command Z to undo that last change because that gray background looks horrible. And I'm going to return there to just the blue. Now, if you're looking at that thinking, yeah, that's nice, Andrew, but I have a very specific blue I want to apply. I have our blue that we use for brand, for logos. We have a specific brand blue, for example, and I want to use a specific hex value. Well, absolutely, you can do that. So to change the hex value, all I would do is I'll just open up the source code, which is here. Now, this isn't a particularly long email, so it's quite easy for me to just go and try and find where the code needs to be changed. What I'm going to do is just to show you if you've got a bigger block of content, it's a nice trick. Just press Control F, and there we go. And I know the bit I'm looking for is take this email, for instance. And by typing in take this, it's searched and it's showing me highlighted in yellow where it is on the actual editor, but also in the HTML editor over here. So it's saying, here you go, this is the bit of code you want to be editing. A little bit there. And you can see we've got the hex value there for blue. Now, I happen to know off the top of my head that the hex value for our Kulea blue is 3399cc. So I'm going to make sure that I leave the little hash symbol in there because that's how you designate that it's a hex value. And I'm just going to type in there 3399cc. And then OK. And we can see there that that text has now taken on the hue of a lovely Kulea blue. And that's how you're going to update colors to more specific hex values within Kulea. Doesn't get any more complicated than that. Okay, I hope that helps, guys. Any problems at all, give us a shout. You know where to find us. Thanks, and over and out. Bye.